Hello and welcome. In this video you will hear how I saved $10,000 using a simple budgeting system. And you can too. Before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this honest, valuable information for free. Now let's continue. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work or how much you earn, your bank account never seems to grow? It feels like you're constantly pouring water into a leaky bucket. You keep adding more, but it just leaks out. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I plugged those leaks, erased my debt, and saved over $10,000 in under a year. All without working a second job or giving up everything I enjoy. This isn't about cutting out your morning coffee or living like a monk. It's about creating a bulletproof system for your money, a system that builds wealth automatically and puts you back in control of your financial future. Stick with me to the very end, because I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step plan that you can start using today, no matter where you are financially. This is the best budget system for saving money and gaining financial freedom. The harsh truth about money. Here's the painful truth. Most people don't actually have a spending problem. They have a planning problem. We live in a world where financial stress is the #1 source of anxiety for families. Rising interest rates, unexpected bills, and constant price increases make it feel like you're drowning, just trying to keep your head above water. And if you don't have a clear retirement income plan or a system to grow your savings, it's like trying to navigate a storm without a compass. You'll work for decades, only to reach retirement and realize you don't have enough to feel secure. But here's the good news. The moment you take control of your cash flow, everything changes. You can finally pay off debt faster, save thousands of dollars, and even start investing for long-term wealth, all without having a massive income. Imagine waking up one morning, logging into your bank account, and realizing you have a fully funded emergency fund. Your bills are paid automatically, and you're finally building passive income streams for the future. It feels like freedom. No more late fees, no more living paycheck to paycheck, and no more stress every time an unexpected expense pops up. That's the power of the system I'm about to share with you. Step 1. The mindset shift that changes everything. Before we get into the numbers and strategies, let's start with your mindset, because how you think about money determines how you manage it. Most people see budgeting as restrictive. They think it's about saying no to everything fun, but the truth is, budgeting is actually about freedom. It's about giving every dollar a job, so you can finally stop wondering where your money went each month. When I made this shift, I realized budgeting wasn't punishment. It was a powerful tool for wealth creation. Once you see it this way, it becomes exciting, not stressful. The automatic paycheck flow. Here's where things get practical. I call this system the automatic paycheck flow. On payday, your money automatically flows through 3 key accounts, each with a specific purpose. You don't have to think about it. You just set it up once and let it run. 1. The essential bills account. This is for all of your fixed expenses like mortgage or rent, utilities, insurance, groceries, and gas. A fixed portion of your paycheck goes directly here to ensure all of your necessary bills are paid. 2. The financial freedom account. This is the most crucial account. A set percentage of every paycheck goes here for your future. This money is for savings, investments, and retirement contributions. It's the engine that will build your long-term wealth. 3. The fun and lifestyle account. This is the most important account for your mental well-being. This is where your guilt-free spending money goes for things like dining out, travel, hobbies, and entertainment. By separating your money this way, you automatically prioritize your financial goals without relying on willpower. It's like setting up your own personal money autopilot. Step 3. Pay yourself first. This single step is what allowed me to save over $10,000 in under a year. It's simple, but it's absolutely life-changing. Pay yourself first. Here's how it works. The moment your paycheck lands, automatically transfer a set percentage, even if it's just 10%, into your financial freedom account. This money is for future wealth, building a retirement fund, creating passive income streams, or investing in high-dividend stocks. When you pay yourself first, you guarantee progress every single month. Most people do the exact opposite. They pay bills, buy groceries, and spend freely, then try to save whatever is left over. Spoiler alert, there's never anything left. And let's talk about the latte lie. You've probably heard financial gurus say, just cut out your lattes and you'll be rich. That's just not true. I didn't stop drinking coffee, eating out, or enjoying my life. Instead, I built a system that allowed me to enjoy the present while securing the future. And that's exactly what you're going to do too. Step 4. Debt elimination using the avalanche method. Debt is like a financial black hole. It drains your energy and your wallet. Here's the method I use to pay off debt fast while saving money on interest, the debt avalanche method. List every single debt you have, from credit card balances to car loans and personal loans. Focus all your extra money on the debt with the highest interest rate, while making only the minimum payments on the rest. Once that highest interest debt is completely paid off, you take all the money you were paying on it and roll it into the next debt on your list. This avalanche strategy saves you hundreds, even thousands, in interest payments, accelerating your path to financial independence. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are what destroy most budgets. A car repair, a medical bill, or a job loss can send you spiraling back into debt and financial stress. That's why you need an emergency fund. Ideally 3 to 6 months of living expenses stored in a high-yield savings account. Start small. Your first milestone should be to save your first $1,000. Once you hit that, aim for a full month of expenses and keep building from there. This fund acts as your financial shock absorber, protecting your progress and giving you peace of mind. Step 6. Grow wealth through smart investing. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. To truly build wealth, you need to make your money work for you. Here's how I started to create passive income for life. High-dividend investing. I started buying stocks or ETFs that pay consistent dividends. I then reinvested those dividends to buy more shares, which helps my money grow even faster. This is a great way to start building passive income. Low-cost index funds. These are perfect for long-term growth with minimal effort. You're buying a small piece of hundreds of companies at once, which spreads out your risk and allows you to grow with the market. Retirement accounts. Maxing out my 401k and IRA gave me huge tax advantages and allowed my money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred. These are the best retirement strategies you can use. Even if you start with just $50 a month, the habit of investing matters more than the amount. Over time, compounding turns small, consistent investments into life-changing wealth. Step 7. Review and refine every month. Your financial situation will evolve, and your plan needs to evolve with it. Once a month, sit down for just 15 minutes to review your progress. Are you hitting your savings goals? Are there any unnecessary expenses you can cut or redirect? Do you need to adjust your investment strategy? This regular check-in keeps you accountable and in control, ensuring you stay on track for long-term success. The big takeaway. I didn't save $10,000 by luck. I didn't win the lottery or get a huge raise. I simply built a system that works automatically, even when life gets messy. And you can do the exact same thing. Whether you're drowning in debt or just want to take your finances to the next level, this system will work for you. If you found this video valuable, please take action right now. Subscribe so you don't miss our next value-packed video on personal finance and investing. Click the thumbs up button to give us a like for bringing you this free information, and comment below to join the conversation. Your financial freedom is closer than you think. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Disclaimer. This video is for equipping, educating, and empowering only and should not be considered professional financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any decisions. Your financial well-being is paramount. Once you see it this way, it becomes exciting, not stressful.